So, how are we feeling? You guys having a good time? For some reason, I feel like the people on my right side are having a better time because I can hear them scream. But man, are you sleeping on this side or what? Let me see. Look, my people on that side, when you're gonna hear that kick, I want you to scream so loud that those people, they just have to go to sleep. One more time. That's what I'm saying. Those people know how to party. I feel like you guys are sleeping. Should we give them a chance? Maybe I'm going to give you a chance. So when you hear that kick, I want you to scream like never in your life. One more time, on my right. It's crazy! Every year I come and party with you, and every year this festival is better, crazier, and you party harder and harder and harder. That's why I'm coming every year, and every time I have a better time. You know my name, right? I'm David Pierce.